Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Fire Stick remote from not working on your Fire Stick. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so you're clicking your remote, you're pressing every button on it, and for some reason it's not working, folks. So the first thing you've got to try, always folks, always first try this. Snip the back from the Fire Stick remote and you just see two batteries. Remove the batteries from the remote and wait for 30 seconds. Once you've waited for 30 seconds, put the batteries back in with the plus going up on both of them, and once you've done that, get the cover, slide it back on, and hopefully it will work. Oh wait, it doesn't work. So what do we do now? Well, we take our cover off again, take the batteries out, and get some new batteries, folks. So you should have some laying around, but if not, buy some. They're really cheap. You can get it from a dollar store or a pound shop or anything like that. So once you put the batteries back in, the new ones, slide your cover back on and let's see if it works. And nope, still not working. Okay, so that means your Fire Stick remote is unpaired from your Fire Stick, folks. So I'm gonna show you how to pair it back up again. Okay, so on your phone, you have to download the Fire TV app, which is available on the Google Play Store and on the Apple App Store. So once you've downloaded the Fire TV app on your phone, open this, and then might say what Fire Stick you wanna connect to, whether it's your Fire TV Cube or Fire Stick. Just select the device. So the remote's currently now paired on my Fire Stick here. So once you've done that and you can navigate now with your phone on your Fire Stick, what you need to do is go to the gear icon. This is the settings wheel. Then you want to go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Click Amazon Fire TV remotes, and then add a new remote, and then with your Fire Stick remote, you need to hold the home button for 30 seconds. I know it says 10 seconds down there, but in my experience, hold it down for 30 seconds. It may take 2 times or 3 times, or just one time, but if it doesn't pair, try again. If it doesn't pair in that time, try again. So when you hold down the home button, it should see a knife, as in, once the knife's doesn't, you want to get close your fire stick as much as possible and aim the remote at the stick. And then with your phone app, it just say Fire TV remote ready to pair. So with your phone app, click the center button, and that should pair up our Fire TV remote. And then it works, folks. So my Fire Stick remote's now working. But if this doesn't work the first time, try it again. Sometimes it doesn't work for me. Sometimes I have to say it 3 times for it to work. But hopefully you just have to do it one time and you'll be good. But if it doesn't pair at all, then there's only one thing I can say, guys, and that is you broke your remote, guys. So what you need to do is go on Amazon and buy a new one. Unfortunately, it costs more wise than half the stick itself, folks. So to get one of these remotes, it costs like £30. I think it's just really expensive, I know, but you're just gonna have to deal with it and pair it up to your Fire Stick like I showed you just a few seconds ago. But there you go. Now it's how to get your Fire Stick remote back to working on your Fire TV device. Thanks for watching.